How many distinct real roots do the equation 3x cubed plus 30x squared plus 70x equals 0 have? We will use our calculator's Polynomial Root Finder app to solve this problem, but let us review a few terms before we begin. When a question asks you to find either the roots or 0 of an equation, it's asking for the x values. In this equation, before we attempt to solve, we see that the highest order is 3. This means that we can expect 3 x values. If we're not careful, we would choose D and move on to the next question, but look closely at the question. It asks for distinct roots. So let's be sure. To begin, press Apps. Press 9 to select the Polynomial Root Finder and Simultaneous Equation app. Press Enter to select the Polynomial Root Finder. The first option asks, how many orders? This is our greatest power. In our question, it's 3, so tab over to 3 and press Enter. Leave the remaining items as is and select Next. The polynomial root template is now copied to our home screen. Enter the problem into the template. Be careful to align the coefficients and constants in their correct position. We don't have a constant term, so enter 0. Finally, press Solve. If you need to go back to the template because you mistakenly entered an incorrect number or sign, press the coefficient key to return to the template. If your question asked for the x values and the question's answers were in decimal form, but after solving, your roots were fractions, you can convert them to decimal by pressing the fraction to decimal to fraction key. Pressing Store allows you to store the equation in y equals variable, which you can then graph the polynomial function. The number of distinct roots in our polynomial question is 2.